Welcome to another episode of Agent Quiz. Today, we are going to have a ceiling fan edition. Before we get started, please like and subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Question 1. Would you rather use Portage Bay on the left or Honeywell on the right? Question 2. Would you rather use Hunter on the left or Orison on the right? Question 3. Would you rather use Tankula on the left or Vernal on the right? Question 4. Would you rather use Retro Caged on the left or Storage on the right? Question 5. Would you rather use Crystal on the left or Muoni on the right? Question 6. Would you rather use River of Goods on the left or Paraduncle on the right? Question 7. Would you rather use Daffaloja on the left or Fandian on the right? Question 8. Would you rather use Giku on the left or Asiko on the right? Question 9. Would you rather use LCIWZ on the left or Tfundi on the right? Question 10. Would you rather use Modern Retractable on the left or DLLT on the right? Thanks for watching. Let us know which one you like in the comments section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification. If you're interested in the items, links to the products are available in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.